Hello, my name is Lee Schneider and I have bipolar disorder. I've suffered with this illness pretty much through my adult life, starting with my college career, whereby I exhibited symptoms of erratic behavior, unclear thoughts, not going to classes, and basically not enjoying the college experience. It continued through my business and professional career, whereby again, unclear thoughts, erratic behavior, and my inability to perform the duties of my job. About 3 years ago, everything came to a head, whereby I had to leave my position as president of a large toy company, and I started seeing a number of different doctors that tried to basically deal with my condition. Bipolar disorder is a very difficult illness to really detect and to get a handle on. I went to psychiatrists, I went to psychologists, I went to my internist, and they put me on various different medications, none of which really got control of this. It's an interesting unknown fact, but 10 million Americans suffer from bipolar disorder, many of which are undiagnosed and untreated. I was lucky enough to be referred to the Family Center for Bipolar at Beth Israel Hospital by a psychologist named Dr. Geraldine Cronin, who also is affiliated with the hospital. She introduced me and sent me to Dr. Gallagher, who diagnosed me as being bipolar, started treating me with various different therapy and medications, and through his knowledge, his support, his compassion has helped me greatly. Dr. Gallagher is the director of this center, and they have a special protocol called Family Inclusive Therapy. This therapy basically treats the patient, but also treats the family, because bipolar illness has great effects on the family. It's devastating what it can do to the family. It's devastating what it can do to your friendships. And it's important that the family understands what the patient is going through, and the patient understands what the family is going through. And we work together for quite some time for us all to heal. And it's a healing process, and it's a lot of hard work. But Dr. Gallagher is a motivator, and he is a fantastic person, so hardworking and so determined to help people. As part of my payback or thanks for all this help, I've worked for a marketing toy company that utilized stuffed toys as marketing vehicles. And as a result, we created a polar bear named Bumpy. Bumpy for the bumpy ride that a bipolar person has. And we use Bumpy for various fundraising initiatives. We use Bumpy to give his gifts to donors. We use Bumpy to send to various different companies to basically bring bipolar to the forefront, take the stigma away from bipolar, and solicit funds that are so desperately needed for the Family Center. There are many people that need the help of bipolar specialists. The staff at the Family Center for Bipolar are experts. I continue to call them bipolar specialists, and they are just unbelievable at what they do. I think that the message that I'm trying to convey is that if you get the right help and you go to the right people, bipolar people can manage their illness, can live happy lives,